Where'd I put this?
On your skin.
I already moisturized, but this looks like fun. Can I put it on?
It's expensive. It's expensive. Have you washed your face today?
Yes.
You sure?
See how she treats me, America? Don't get... Joyous.
You know what?
Expensive.
I wish you could play music while you do this stuff.
Hi,
That's
America.
really annoying. Sorry, what foundation we're doing?
What foundation we're doing?
Hello.
Where'd I put it? Oh.
This is my good stuff. I don't know why I'm not.
I've gotten better because you know how I would always jump when.
Yeah.
I'm used to this now. All right.
Semblance of eyes. And she broke this.
I didn't break it.
And she broke it.
I didn't break it. The travel back from school broke it. So there.
She broke it.
You know, I really think that I finally found myself artistically on my face. Lisa, what do you mean by that? I mean, before I look back and I cry. You remember the L'Oreal thingies that Mom would have? Those black things that she would just put on eyeliner, because our mom would wear makeup. Yeah, those pencils. So I would use those and I would do my eyebrows. So that's just a little bit of my background and where I come from.
Okay, I'm not judging because we all have those.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay. But since then I've evolved and I feel like I'm finding myself. Ask me a question.
I don't have a question.
What do the people want to know?
Why are you an art major?
Why am I an art major? That's a good question, Lauryne. Well, college was plan C.
Oh my god!
Just kidding. Just kidding. I started loving art and all that good stuff my junior year in high school, and it was Lana's idea for me to, because she goes to Covenant and she went to Covenant before I did. Obviously, she's older than me, and she said the art program at Covenant was really great, and so yeah, and I loved it.
Why don't you post on Instagram frequently?
Why?
Since you are an art and photography.
Why don't I post on Instagram? I don't know. I don't think about it a lot. Think about posting. I don't know. If I do something, I'm not like, oh, let me post it. You know? Ooh, I hope some of y'all are triggered by that. Ask me about my hair. I feel like that's an exciting thing about me.
How many bundles?
Okay, this took 2.5 packs, which was quite a miracle. I thought it was gonna take like 3 or 4. I was scared I wasn't gonna have enough, but since it's thickums, it worked. And this is gonna be the new me, ladies and gentlemen. So all you Covenant peeps, get used to this, because this is what you're about to be seeing for the rest of your college career.
If people ask the annoying question, is that your hair? Or are you like, are you annoyed by that question? Or
depends how they ask it. Like, and is it like, oh, I like your hair? If it was your friend, I know for me, if you were friends, I wouldn't care. Yeah.
But if somebody you rarely spoke to, and they come up and ask you,
then I tell them it's mine, because it is, because my name's on the receipt. I love the baby chiropractor videos. That's Lisa fun facts.
That's demented.
No, it's so cute, and it's like so sad because they're crying and they're upset before, so and they can't.
If it's sad, why are you watching?
No, but it's happy because at the end they stop crying and they fall asleep immediately because they're so tired because they can't sleep because their back's in pain.
I'm in the shot, Lisa. That's your job.
Oops, I'm sorry. Hello, we're back.
With the other eye. With the other eye
done. Okay, we're putting on mascara. Alright, and this is how I do it. Oh, do it like this. Alright, so I have my mirror here, you can't see it, and I have it down, and so I'm looking, and I put it on my lash, and I shimmy. And for this one, oh, you should know which one I'm using. This is a...
Come on, Lisa, you're losing influencer points.
This one. I hate it, but we're using it because it's the only one I can find. And I bend mine.
Well,
a little bit so I can really get way down in there. I told my best friend Jenna, White Chocolate Truffles, if you're watching this. Anyway, I told her, I said I can spend about 20 minutes on mascara if I have the time. I'm hungry.
You just ate some.
We are, after all, doing the brows.
Yeah, sorry, you have to look at her bowl all the time.
Shut up. That's bad when you say shut up. Shut up.
Do you like warm brows or cool brows?
What does that mean?
You're an artist. You don't know what that means.
Well, I don't like to look ashy. I guess warm.
No, that's the wrong answer.
Why?
If anything's supposed to be cool, your brows should be cool.
Why?
Especially if you have cool hair. You got black hair, for Pete's sake. See,
that was a test.
She doesn't know as much as she thinks she does.
Don't give me blocks for brows. That's not
That's
in.
so 2016, 17.
Lauryne!
What?
I saw someone like a couple of days ago. I'm telling you, her eyebrows went from here to here. I wish I was exaggerating.
You know
I wish
what?
I was exaggerating. I guessed. I was like, hey, you.
Oh my gosh. Do you do brows before foundation or after foundation?
When I do foundation, which is almost next to never, I'd say I do it after. What do you do, Lauryne?
I don't let rules confine, what I do. So I do wherever the wind takes me.
That's
so I'll do what I feel like. Yesterday, I felt like doing my brows first because I was filming and I didn't look at me.
Ew, Mama, we're filming. I'm viral.
Fenty 420, because you're like
The designs are
chocolatey.
underway. What look are we going for today?
Summery, like golden goddess.
Dewy.
We want to look like we'll call this the Beyonce's. This is Beyonce's red carpet look to The Lion King.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, wow! Did y'all hear that?
See that?
No, it's not. It hasn't happened yet. But I just feel like I'm giving me Beyonce vibes right now. I don't know. Comment down below if I'm giving you Beyonce vibes.
I've been asking this. I guess I'm just fat, but like, if you could eat anything, like go in detail. Anything right now. If I was about to go get you a grub.
All right. Okay. Let me think. Oh,
Try not to put too much on.
so does it have to be? Can it be like a meal, or does it have to be like
a
one
meal.
thing?
Like
all right.
I'm talking even a drink. Like,
all right. Okay.
I'm talking details.
All right. So I'm feeling a bit grabby. Okay. Lisa, what do you mean by that? I mean, I want something I can hold on to. I can hug, and I'll hug you.
Fork.
I don't need a fork situation. I want to hold something. So, yeah. So I want to hold something, right? I want it to drip down my wrist. Just kidding.
So fat.
So that's something like a burger to me.
Yeah,
with bacon.
Stop smiling.
I'm talking about a burger. How can I not smile? All right, you can't frown and talk about burgers at the same time.
So what do you put on your burger?
What do I put on my burger? I'll tell you what I put on my burger. I put on some bacon, some cheese. It needs to be a double burger because I'm a big girl. I don't have time for a single patty.
So we're talking burger
Are you kidding
pie?
me? Yeah, burger pie, and then the lettuce and the tomatoes and all that stuff.
What did you break? Will I
take the tomato off? Maybe. That's none of your business. But I'll tell them to keep the tomato on, but I'll take it off. And then I'll put some ketchup and mayo on that, and get some fries. And I want ketchup and mayo.
Saints.
Okay. And then I want a strawberry milkshake. Oh my gosh. Go to BurgerFi and get a strawberry milkshake, and then I will go to BurgerFi just to get the straws. The way they do their straws is genius, ladies and gentlemen, because their straws are so thick, so you're not like struggling to drink it. Oh, it makes me so happy. No, I'm still talking. Wait a minute. I'm not finished with my meal.
Lisa, you're gonna
so you just get the entree and
and then up fries.
Lisa, is the shake enough moisture?
No, that's why I'm not done.
Okay.
And then I want a good
Y'all not thinking about
Pepsi.
editing. Stop! You gotta.
This is a clear outer artery.
Lisa, stop smiling. You're getting creases in my heart.
What does your Spotify playlist look like? You know, what's your daily mix, Lauryne?
My daily mix is Outlander soundtrack.
Wow.
Bear McCreary, I think that's how you say it.
Am I focused?
Yes.
Alright.
Hades Town, that Broadway.
Oh,
Yep. That Broadway musical, man. And the one from 2017, not this year. No shade to Eva and all the people like right now, but that one hits different for me. I'll just say that. And then Phil Wickham. I like me some Phil Wickham. If you're in the praise.
Mr. Wickham.
Not that Mr. Wickham. That Mr. Wickham can eat rocks. And who else? Elevation Worship, Tasha Cobb, and BTS. What?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't done though.
Oh, okay.
I was planning on it.
Oh, okay. You can keep going.
But now I can't think of any more now. So.
Alright, you can interrupt me. Well, today when I was working out, because
Whatever.
I work out now.
Whatever.
No big deal.
Shocker,
Anyway,
really.
So I started off my walk and I started with the Beyonce playlist. I like to walk
can I not
to the
say
homecoming
Beyonce?
concert thingy because I like to act like I'm performing it. And when I'm out of breath, I'm like, Beyonce was probably this out of breath.
Oh my god.
So I gotta power through. You know what I'm saying?
That's
so
funny.
I do that, and then Johnny Swim, even though it's not that upbeat, I love Johnny Swim. You know, America, I've been taking care of myself, as I said earlier. Start working out a little bit. And I've also started using SPF on my
What?
face. Yes.
Thanks to Jackie.
Yes.
Black people?
Yes. Don't listen
Take
to
care of
that
your skin.
lie,
I know. All
listen to that.
African Americans, my
Black
people,
crack.
black can crack if you don't take care of your skin. I know we are blessed and highly favored, but put some.
But you have to take care of it.
yourself.
Your body's a temple.
Oh my!
I got this for y'all for Christmas, and y'all don't.
I do use it. I do
y'all
use it.
liars.
Wow.
But it's just when
Sherlock cannot crack this case.
Oh my god.
I do not know why I'm still single, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. We're not even done yet. Whoa.
Fenty, Fenty.
I just took my breath away.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Lisa.
Ah, poor Tasha.
Yeah.
Who do you comment down below?
Tasha and Mike should end up together.
Wow. Comment down below who you want to win The Bachelor.
Oh my god.
The Bachelorette.
I don't like her.
Jed. Yeah, I don't even like her.
Well, shoot.
You don't like Tasha?
No, I don't like Hannah.
Hannah.
Oh yeah,
She's so annoying.
I'm gonna be like Bromby Brown for the rest of the day.
Oh my god. I don't get
Lisa,
that
is
reference.
this your
Y'all too
profile
young to
pic?
get that reference.
What'd you say?
Is this your new profile
What's up,
pic?
please?
I mean, I don't know what this was for if I don't get at least a story post out of this. That's funny. Just at the beginning of this video, I was like, I don't think about this.
Yeah, exactly.
Lisa, are you on Scooter's side or Taylor's side?
That is a good question, Lydia.
Oh my gosh. Psh.
Not Taylor's.
Yeah,
It's hard.
I'm sorry, Taylor, you're getting on my nerves right now.
See, yeah, so you do with that information what you will.
I just feel like
She always plays a victim. I'm sorry, Lisa.
I
What were
love
you
Taylor.
saying?
I mean, y'all know how I feel about Taylor. I love Taylor, but I feel like she does have a tendency to like victimize herself a lot. Let's be quiet. You don't want to make Taylor Swift fans mad. Now.
Exactly.
Do that.
But you know, wait. That's a question. That's a question. That's a
Favorite
question.
Taylor Swift album?
No, that's not the question. We can go on from that after we go to this one. Like, which stan group is the most ferocious? The Beehive or the Swifties?
Beehive, I would say.
Beehive, because I'm part of the Beehive.
Yeah.
And I'm crazy.
I know.
Don't try it.
Don't try it.
Try it.
Like,
But that's a good question. You guys, what's your favorite Taylor Swift album?
Everything post pre.
This is my favorite part.
Reputation.
I've become a bronzer person.
But you
Yeah.
don't have one. Do you have one? Heifer.
I have that one right there.
Stop. No.
But listen, what happens when you go back to school?
She has a job. She can buy one.
Anyway, what am I saying?
Favorite Taylor Swift.
Favorite Taylor Swift album, 1989. Absolutely. That one is good. But
Fearless.
Red was so powerful.
Red was very good.
Red was very powerful for me. But You Were in Love kind of takes me on a. But All Too Well is on Red. So All Too Well makes
Red
me
is
feel
on Red.
things. Wait a minute. Long Live is on Speak Now. Long Live.
Skincare.
Whoa.
You can use it.
Thanks, Rihanna.
You can use it for multiple purposes.
Thanks, Rihanna.
Rihanna called me broke when she came out with that line, with that whatever line.
The clothesline?
Yes, everything is like $1,000.
Lisa actually, PG.
It is PG.
I'm worth it. Lisa.
Now I gotta go somewhere. Now I'm ready to go to club. Not yet, but.
If you know that video, you're a real one.
Lauren, what's your favorite part of doing makeup?
Oh my gosh, I love skin.
You love
Skin is like bombed. Yeah. Somebody said once that skin, eyes get you likes, but skin gets you paid.
Whoa.
Yeah, if you know how to do skin well.
Wait, you can't see it. Oh my god.
If you know how to do skin well and make the skin stay and last or whatever, people will call you. But how many celebrities do you see rocking double cut creases and all of this stuff? Not to shade that, because that's fun and I like to wear makeup like that occasionally.
Lisa, what part of makeup do you like? Well,
I'm sorry. You don't do much.
Lisa, what part?
What else say? You just said yourself that you don't.
What I do is effective. Oh wait, I'm about to cry. What I like to do is mascara and eyebrows. I'm telling you, if I have 5 minutes, I'll put on mascara and eyebrows and
of course,
put on a little lip. But I'll also put the lip on my cheeks.
See? These are dry enough.
Did you see It's My Race video?
On
how she puts the lash glue on her eyes and then she plops the lashes on.
That's kind of crazy, man. She's so dumb.
Subscribe!
Oh my God.